Guys, today I've got a very solid update for you. This is about the Nova EX Airdrop, and if you do this correctly, you can claim 10,000 NEX tokens, which is currently estimated around $1,000 value. Not only that, I'll also be showing you other ways to earn money directly on Nova EX. So make sure you watch this video to the end so you don't miss out on any important step or hidden opportunity. But before we continue, I really appreciate it if you just take 2 seconds of your time to smash the like button and to subscribe to the channel. On this channel, I share different ways I personally make money online, from crypto arbitrage opportunities, free earning updates, legit platforms, and sometimes premium paid methods. So if that sounds like something you like, make sure you are subscribed. Now, without wasting much of your time, guys, let's dive straight into it. So guys, Nova EX is a growing crypto platform that is currently rewarding early users with free tokens and bonuses. As they expand their community right now, they are giving new users the chance to claim 10,000 NEX tokens for free after registration and completing simple tasks. This is why I'm making this video early, so you can position yourself before the crowd enters. So to basically get started and claim up to 10,000 NEX tokens, dropping the link in the comment section below. If you click on the link, it will bring you right here, this registration page, and you can easily sign up by putting in your username right here. Create a login password and then you confirm the password over here. Tick this box and you click on the register button down here. Once you've created your account, it will direct you to a page where you need to link your Google Authenticator to your account. So to click on the link now, it's in here. Right here, it tells you to install the Google Authenticator app into your device. So you can easily get the Google Authenticator from your Google Play Store or your Apple App Store, depending on the device that you're using. So you've actually installed it, you come back right here, click on the next button right here. Right here, a private key will be given to you. You need to do is to copy the private key. Then you head over back to your Authenticator. There, and over here you have an add button. You come over here and click on it. It will take you to a page like this. Then you create a code name for him. You could call it the Nova EX. Then this key that will be displayed right here, I'm going to copy it and paste it right here where you have your key. Then you can leave the time base on default and you click on add. Once you've added, a 6-digit code will be given to you on the Authenticator app. You can actually paste it right here on the submit button and then you click on submit, and then there you go, you've successfully created an account right here. And once you sign up using the referral link, you'll be given about 1,000 USDT worth NEX token, as you can see right here. If I come right here, if I click on my assets here, you can basically see it right here, guys. This is the airdrop reward you will be given once you sign up on the Nova EX, and that's how you can basically sign up. You can also accumulate more of this NEX token by inviting your friends, also completing some tasks. If you click right here where you have discover, you're going to find simple tasks like following their X page, their Twitter, their Telegram group, and also subscribing to their YouTube channel. You can also perform these tasks to accumulate more NEX tokens right here. And you can also check out their official website by clicking this button right here. Over their official website, you can get more info about this NEX airdrop, about their. Coming back right here, let's talk about other opportunities on the Nova EX airdrop. Basically talk about how to actually earn here, also how you can withdraw this NEX token right here. Okay, so this particular airdrop has been going on for about 3 months now. If you want to know how to withdraw from this platform, you have to come right here where you have this AI button right here, big AI button down here. This will bring you to the AI smart trading engine right here. So this particular AI engine have about 4 different smart trading sections. We have the conservative right here, we have the stable, we have the balance, and we also have the aggressive right here. Okay, so now for the conservative trading engine, it's basically saying that you participate in it, you get to make up to 0.5 to 0.6% daily on this. Okay, and then for the stable, get about 5% to 6% in every 7 days. Okay, it's basically like you are going to need to stake some USDT right here to actually earn. Okay, that's what the AI smart engine is all about. In the process, you get to earn more. Okay, if you click right here on the conservative, you can actually get your USDT, your BNB, your Ethereum, or your TRX, whichever of these. But if you are going for the USDT, for example, you need to stake at least 20 USDT or more to give you a daily API of 0.5%. Okay, you can check out the stable, which will give you about 5% on a weekly basis. And also stake either of these token right here. If you stake that, you get to see your profit time. The time is to be credited, the time is going to stop. Okay, so those are the basic AI smart trading engine right here. And then you also have the aggressive, which is actually for 30 days. One thing about this AI smart trading engine is that where you stake your funds in, you can always withdraw it anytime you need it. Say you want to stop staking or you want to stop anything, the AI smart trading, you can actually come here and withdraw it whenever you want. Or you should take note that if you want to actually try out the AI smart trading, you need to fund your account with any of the tokens I mentioned earlier, either the USDT, the BNB, the ETH, or the TRX. And to do that, you find the deposit button right here. Once you click on the deposit button, you select the token you want to fund with, and then you click on the confirm button. Also select the network you want to use to fund your account. Select that, and once you click on the confirm button, your wallet address will be given to you. You copy it. Once you make the deposit, it will appear right here in your balance. Okay, also take note that you can try this with at least 20 USDT. One more thing I want you guys to take note of is that this is not actually a financial advice. This video is for educational purposes only. If you are going to be trying out the smart trading engine, only do that with what you can afford to use, because of it has to do with cryptocurrency. Okay, that's how you can basically participate in the AI smart trading and earn more in the Nova EX platform. So whenever you want to withdraw your funds, you can simply click on the withdraw button, select the token, be it your USDT. Then you also select the network you want to use to withdraw, and once you click on that, you can withdraw at least 3 USDT on the platform. Okay, guys, that's basically all you need to know about this particular update. For the NEX token, no information has been dropped yet about the listing date or the unlocking date. Okay, if you want to try this out, you can sign up and claim 10,000 NEX token, which is worth about $1,000. If there's any further information about listing, I'm thinking to make a video about it. Okay, that's all for now, and I'll be seeing you guys in my next update. Don't forget to smash the like button if you find this very helpful. Nice day, guys. Bye for now.